Did you know 90% of the people in this world fail to achieve their maximum potential in their health, wealth, emotions due to they're not giving attention or importance to what universe has to say about them and their energy. There is an energetic script, there is a life script already written. If you want to be in the top 10% looking for unobstructed growth and flow and not being stuck in the repetitive toxic patterns in your health, in your finance or in your relationship, you must attend the workshop on the power of chakra balancing, astrology and manifestation of abundance and growth and healing in your life. I'm S. Pooja, a healer, author, speaker and entrepreneur to help you grow and heal through something they do not necessarily understand, but it affects them drastically. We have worked with 1,000+ clients in the past 10 years and helping them to grow and transform their lives. I invite you to join my workshop where you will learn the importance of chakras, 3 practical steps: cleansing, balancing and enhancing. Heal your chakras and what is the importance of astrology and what is the importance of your date of birth. It's been decoded, the script is already written. It helps you to find the root cause hindering your growth and progress. It gives you the life script. Click on the link below to register for my workshop if you want to transform your life.